And we've got Thunder Turbine. And we also have
GT3.
TT-02. First time ever in this livery.
Yeah.
I know I was a little bit perplexed by it. Like I said when it came in, I do love a TT-02.
Yeah.
And I do love a AMG Mercedes, the GT3, even better. But I was quite perplexed because this is a body set and livery that Kyosho did probably 3 years ago.
Yeah.
In a phaser.
Yeah.
Also 1/10. But anyway, now Tamiya have done it. There you go. I've actually got the same body set but different livery in a TT-02, the matte grey and the one with the yellow stripe.
But this one's better because it's orange.
It's orange. You do love orange, and we do love TT-02s.
We like an orange thing. Yeah, you don't have a TT-02 anymore.
I don't have a chassis, no. I've got a body set left over, but no. I did sell it to one of the fanboys, and he loves it dearly. But yeah, these are really cool. A really good way to get into racing. Yeah. Or in RC in general, right? Yeah. You don't need to be a rocket scientist. You don't need to be a millionaire. Good. You can get into it.
Because I'm neither.
No. All you need to do really out of the box, I'd recommend, is probably putting a bearing kit in it.
Oh, yeah.
If you're going to play with it a lot, put a bearing kit through it, and then the bearings will outlive the car.
Yep.
But if you use a standard torque tune motor that comes with it, and just like a 9-steps LiPo battery in there, they go really quite well.
I would recommend changing the pinion too, because to me, supplied pinions are still made of cheese.
They are made of cheese. They're quite cheese-like.
Yeah. So you put
and they get a bit noisy.
Yeah. So you want to do that.
Something else.
Speaking of TT-02s,
we're getting a wall of TT-02s.
Here's another one we prepared earlier.
Also a Mercedes.
Yeah.
How cool is this?
Yeah, well, you are a Merc fanboy.
I am. And this is very much not a new release body shell. This is one from the 90s.
Yeah.
First on a TT-01, I believe, in the early 90s. Yeah. And then they did this body set and livery again on the TT-01 circa 2004. And I don't know that it's been back since, but now you can get it on a TT-02 chassis.
And you and I have pulled the sticker set out, and the word nightmare comes to mind.
You'd have to be committed if you're going to do box art.
Oh, yeah.
And it's a great looking race car. I'm not saying that you have to do box art.
But basically the decals cover most of the car.
Yeah, it's like vinyl wrapping it.
Yeah, it would not be fun. There'd be a lot of heat gun work.
They're not water slide.
No.
But you would want to use a lot of lube.
Well, Friday night again.
But yeah, so two very different Mercedes on the same identical chassis.
Yeah.
How good's that?
It's Merc time.
Merc time.
Not Mercantime.
Mercantime.
No, Mercant is a different
Mercantile thing. Mutual. Wasn't that
That's an insurance company.
Is it?
That I don't think exists anymore.
I think the Meerkats took over.
Ah, okay.